Carbohydrates, the simple sugar and not so simple starch. All living things are made up of four classes of large biological molecules: carbohydrates, lipids, protein, and nucleic acids. Macromolecules are large molecules composed of thousands of covalently bonded atoms. Molecular structure and function are inseparable. Macromolecules are polymers built from monomers. A polymer is a long molecule consisting of many similar building blocks. These small building block molecules are called monomers. Three of four classes of life's organic molecules are polymers: carbohydrates, protein, and nucleic acids. The synthesis and the breakdown of polymers. The dehydration reaction occurs when two monomers bond together through a loss of water molecule. Polymers are disassembled to monomers by hydrolysis, a reaction that is essentially adding water. Dehydration synthesis, like what you can see in the screen, comparing to hydrolysis, that like what you see in our screen, that we need to add water for the hydrolysis to come up. And then this is a good example of hydrolysis of a disaccharide. The question is, can you live without sugar? And what are the different examples of sugar? So we have here soda, cookies, candy, chocolates, desserts, sugary cereals, ice cream. And what is that carbohydrates? Carbohydrates give the body energy. They are the best source of fuel for the body. Carbohydrates also help to digest protein and fats. 45 to 65% of our food should come from carbohydrates. If we eat more than carbohydrates are needed for energy, the extra energy is stored in the liver or in the tissues as fat. Carbohydrates are grains, fruits, vegetables, legumes, and sugar. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are quick energy sources. They come from sugar. They do not usually supply any other nutrients or fiber. Simple sugars like glucose or blood sugar is the basic source of energy of all living things. Sucrose or table sugar is made from sugar beets or sugar cane. Fructose is a sugar found in fruit, honey, and vegetables. Maltose is grain starch broken down into sugar. Lactose is milk sugar. And there are complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates supply longer lasting energy, as well as other nutrients and fiber that the body needs. They are better choice. Complex carbohydrates come from the starchy foods such as whole grains, flour, seeds, nuts, vegetables, and fruits. And what are our recommendations? Eat less food with added sugar. Choose fiber-rich vegetables and whole grains more often. Eat beans several times a week. Brush teeth after eating with sugar and starch. The no sugar challenge, like soda, cookies, candy, chocolates, desserts, sugary cereals, ice cream, you need to take the challenge today. How do you know if food has added sugar? Basically, you should be able to check the food label. Example, total carbohydrates or dietary fiber, sugar, and other carbohydrates. List of ingredients like sugar, brown sugar, juice, fruit juices, molasses, honey, syrup, malted corn sweetener, corn syrup, maltose, fructose, lactose, glucose, dextrose are common examples of carbohydrates, like what you see in our screen today.